Aditya. You don't know how to shut your mouth? Ask Aditya. Aditya also asked the same question. I said to Aditya, shut your mouth. He shut his mouth, right? If you don't know how to shut, ask him. Ask the Aditya. Aditya will help you. Arey, Hayden, it will come. It will come within few minutes. It will come within few minutes. Don't divert the topic. Don't divert the topic. It will come within few minutes. One nice story going on. Please enjoy. Please enjoy one nice story going on. Just keep listening. All doubts will be clear. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. He's a very good boy. He got now. If that is the case, Are Gootle, how you asked me previously? 10 minutes back you asked me same doubt. Why you asked me? Now you are saying like a Rushi. Now you are saying like a Rushi or Muni. Like Rushi or Muni you are saying. Just keep listening. All doubts will be clear. Now he is saying like a Muni or Rushi. Don't you know this before? Gootle. Because of you only asked this. Anyhow, thank you so much. Thank you. Within few minutes it will come. Within few minutes it will come. Don't worry. Now come here now. So Z is came. What is the next? Oh, good boy, good boy. Okay, can you listen? Can you listen, Bhaiya? Bhaiya, can you listen? Can you listen, Bhaiya? After Z, star came. So I think lexical analyzer got to know star. Oh, star. Your multiplication operator. Yeah. So what is the answer? Operator. What is the operator? Multiplication or maybe pointer, whatever it is. Multiplication operator. Multiplication operator. Multiplication operator. So no token number. Next to 60. After star 60 came. So what is the answer? Constant. It is a constant. It is a constant. So he got to know 60. So number means constant. So final conclusion. Listen, at the end of the story, I want to ask you one more thing. Can you help me now? To whom token number given? Say finally. At the end of the story, I want to ask you one thing. To whom token number given? Give answer first. At the end of the story, to whom token number given? What is the answer? Identifier. The people who are there in the symbol table. The people who are there in the symbol table, for them token number given. For them token number is given. So careful. For them token number. Now listen, one more thing. At the end of the story, listen, at the end of the story, your expression, the expression what you written. See, this is the expression. Careful, this is the expression. At the end of the lexical analysis, the story will be like this one. X means ID1. From now onwards, X means ID1 is equal to Y means ID2 plus ID3 star 60. Some music is going on, right? Beside my house, some music is going on. Are you able to hear my voice or music? Some music is going on, right? Are you able to hear my voice or music? Which one you like more? Which one you like more? Which one you like more? My voice or music? My voice. Good boy. Your voice itself is music. Arey, there is a butterman. I can only hear your voice. There is one butterman is there. He will say buttering is going on. One butterman is here. He cannot digest. If someone will praise me, that butterman will not digest. If someone is praising me, that butterman will not keep quiet. He cannot control himself. He cannot control himself. Immediately will say buttering is going on. Anyhow. So at the end of the lexical analyzer, so this is the thing which is going to come. Now it is a correct time. Listen, everyone listen. Almost we done it. From now onwards, if anyone asks you, lexical analyzer, what is the input? Everyone listen. From now onwards, if anyone asks you, lexical analyzer, what is the input? What is the input? Remember, high-level language statement, or high-level language string, or high-level language program. Right? Lexical analyzer input is going to be high-level language statement, or high-level language string, or high-level language program. You can say like this. Output is going to be token string. Output is going to be token string. With the tokens, we will write. Output is going to be token string. If you want, you can write token program. If you want, you can write token statement. Input is high-level language statement. Output is token string. Input is going to be high-level language statement. Output is token string. Only for identifier token number given. For all the people, no need to give. Inside family member, what is the need of giving tokens to everyone? Only new people token number. Inside the symbol table, see the way of asking question in the gate examination. What symbol table contain? The way of asking questions in the gate examination. The way of asking questions in the gate examination. Who will be there inside symbol table? Identifiers. Who are the identifier? Right? I think identifier who are means user-defined variable, user-defined functions. User-defined variable, user-defined functions. Next one, lexical analyzer. What is the input? High-level language. Output, token string. Output is token string. Why is not given token to everyone? Known people you don't give token. Unknown people you will give token. Can we say from now onwards? Listen, from now onwards, other pages. Listen, from now onwards, other pages will see XR ID1. From now onwards, other pages will see XR ID1. From now onwards, other pages will see XR ID1. Which one? From now onwards, other pages will see XR ID1. Make it fast, yaar. XR ID1, ID1. ID1, token number. From now onwards, people will see token number only. Suppose assume that, listen, what is the use of token number? Listen, can you say one small line? My token number is ID1. Means what is my name? Can anyone respond? My token number is ID1. My token number is ID1. Then what is my name? So they will go, listen, my token number is ID1. What is my name is ID1. 1. Oh, symbol table first row. They will go symbol table first row. My token number is ID1 means 1. Oh, in the symbol table first row. They will go first row. They will see variable name is X. Variable type is float. That's the purpose of token. If token number is there, total information I will get to know. If token number is there, total, that's the purpose of token. Purpose of token number is identification. If someone will say my token number is ID1, I will go to symbol table first row. I will get to know variable name is X. Variable type is float. Like that I will get to know. That is the purpose of token number. Now listen. Everyone listen. For after this phase, X going or ID1 going? After lexical analyzer, X going or ID1 going? After this phase, X going or ID1 going? What is the answer? X, right? I'm repeating once again. After this phase, X going or ID1 going? ID1 going. ID1 going. If anyone want to know what is ID1, directly they will go to the table first row. They will verify. Now it is the correct time to ask you. To know about X, other people and lexical analyzer, who is taken more time? To know X information, other pages and lexical analyzer, which taken more time? To know X information, Other stages or other phases are lexical analyzer. Who is taken more time? To know about X clearly, other phases and lexical analyzer. Who is taken more time? Lexical analyzer. Because you have to check total table. Where is X in the table? Where is X in the table? Total table you have to check. Worst case, X may be there in the table last place. Best case, X may be there in the table first place. So lexical analyzer doing scanning like this, right? Whenever X came first time, lexical analyzer asking everyone, are you X? Are you X? Are you X? It is keep on asking. So lexical analyzer, by taking lot of time, so worst case, total table you have to check. Assume that n time. Worst case, by taking n time, is given the token number. But other people got to know about X information immediately. Other people taking constant time. Now it is the correct time to ask you, is lexical analyzer simplifying other phases of compiler or not? Is lexical analyzer simplifying other phases of compiler or not? Of course. If lexical analyzer don't give token number, other phases, all you have to check inside table. Right? First phase of the compiler, lexical analyzer, is taken n time, is given token number. Other people are using it. Other people will take constant time. They are happily utilizing the work which is done by the lexical analyzer. If lexical analyzer don't do, everyone will take n time, because everyone have to check the total table. If lexical analyzer don't check, other people have to check. So lexical analyzer simplifying the other phases of compiler. So in every family, listen, in every family, if the elder son or elder daughter, if they are good people, in every family, elder son or elder daughter, if they are good people, they will simplify younger son or younger daughter life. In every family, elder son or elder daughter will do good work. Assume they are doing good work. They are good people. They are indirectly simplifying, right, younger son or younger daughter life. If the first person itself is a buffoon, in every family, first person itself is a buffoon, over. They will die. Younger people will die. Younger people will die. If the first person itself is a buffoon, if the first person is a pig, in some families, elder son itself is a pig. In some families, elder daughter itself is a pig. They will indirectly create trouble to the younger people. They're indirectly trouble to the younger people. So, first person is doing good work. Other people can use it. Other people, I think people is the elder person. I think people is the elder person. Is feeling so bad. People feeling so bad. He's the elder one. I am saying that the elder people are buffoon. I am saying elder people are pig. I am saying, so he is feeling so bad. He's feeling so bad. Anyhow, I think you remember total story. Whatever happening, all the people remember. All the people are remembered. Now come to the next story. One small story. Listen, one small story. Everyone listen. One small story. Be careful everyone. Be careful everyone. One small story. One small story. Just I want to know one small story. Be careful. What is, listen everyone. If anyone asks you from today onwards, what is the lexical analyzer responsibility? What answer you are going to give? From today onwards, if anyone asks you, lexical analyzer responsibility, what is the answer? Dividing the given program into tokens. From today onwards, if anyone asks you, lexical analyzer responsibility, dividing the given program into tokens. Dividing given program into tokens. Dividing the given program into token. High level program to tokens. Another way of saying, dividing the given program into tokens. Dividing the given program into tokens. Please be careful. This is the expected question in the exam. In the exam, they will ask you, lexical analyzer purpose. Dividing given program into tokens. dividing given program into tokens. Because of, listen, because of he's clearly saying, listen, he is clearly saying it is the identifier, it is a operator, right? It is the identifier, it is a addition operator, it is a multiplication operator, it is a keyword, it is a constant, because of he is clearly dividing, clearly dividing. So another name for the lexical analyzer, another name for lexical analyzer, right? Another name is going to be, right? Lexical analyzer, another name. It is also known as scanner. It is also known as scanner because it is scanning the program. It is also known as scanner because after scanning program, it divides the program into token. It is also known as scanner because after scanning program, it divided the program into tokens. Yeah, someone is mentioned, tokenizer. Yeah, lexical analyzer, one name is scanner, one more name is tokenizer. He is doing into tokens. Converting high-level language program into tokens or token string or token program. Lexical analyzer, another name is scanner or tokenizer. And one more thing, if you observe clearly, you go to the movie theater, you go to the hotel, wherever you want, right? The first phase is going to be tokens. They will ask, who are you? What purpose you came? Whom you want to meet? What you want to eat? What movie you want to see? Starting only. Introduction, which is also called introduction. You have to introduce. I want this. So tokenizer is the first phase of the compiler, which is also introduction, which is also called scanner. Suppose that someone went to hospital. Listen, someone went to hospital. The first phase, if someone went to hospital, the first thing is going to be scanning. As soon as if anyone join in the hospital, no doctor will do directly surgery. No doctor will do surgery. As soon as someone enter, yeah, right? I think if anyone do like this, it's a serious problem. One patient came inside the hospital. Doctor is already ready with the knife and all to do surgery. Come, I will do surgery. I will cut the body and all. Then no one will go inside that hospital. If anyone come inside the hospital, right, no one will do starting itself surgery. First they will do scanning. Right? Whenever scanning is going on, scanner will identify, oh, it is a Reddy's are eyes. It is a Reddy's are left eye. Oh, Reddy's are nose. Reddy's are right eye. Oh, Reddy's are brain. Reddy's are nose. Reddy's are mouth. Right? So like that, so scanner will identify in the body every particle. Scanner will identify in the body every particle. Right? Whenever, right? Whenever scanner came here, oh, Reddy sir heart is missing. Oh, Reddy sir heart is missing. Oh, right? Reddy sir may be given his heart to his madam. Reddy sir given his heart to his madam, maybe that is the reason, right? Reddy sir heart is missing. Right? So it is scanner will identify everything. Scanner will identify everything. Oh, this one, right? Like that. So, right, so first phase of the compiler is a lexical analyzer, which is also known as scanner, which is also called as, right, tokenizer. I hope everyone is fine. Right, fine. I think madam is behind. Of course, yeah. Otherwise, why I will say this? Madam is seeing from the back side. So when Reddy sir will praise me, right? So she is indirectly checking, right? Will he praise me or not? So I kept a little bit of butter. I kept. Do you have any problem? Why don't you do your business? Are Hayden, why don't you do your business? Just I kept little bit of butter. Right? Fine. Perfect. Chalo then. Chalo, everything is fine. Everything is fine. So I think people got the clarity. Listen, people got the clarity. Just remember only one thing. Lexical analyzer divide the given program into token. That's it. I said again and again, different ways. I want to convey this information. It will do just two tokens. Some people are thinking, listen, some people are thinking, sir, if anyone go to hospital, starting itself surgery, no, yaar. Starting itself surgery, no. It should be introduction. It should be scanning. It should be tokenization. In every hospital, the first stage is scanning only. If any hospital first stage is a surgery, it is a serious problem. Applying bar ke butter. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Can you concentrate on compiler instead of my life? Instead of concentrating on my life, can you concentrate on compiler? Please, my request to everyone, can you concentrate on compiler than my life? Instead of concentrating on my life, can you concentrate on compiler? Bhaiya, please concentrate on compiler. It is also known as scanner because after scanning, program divided into, right? Because after scanning, program it divides. After scanning program, it divides the program into tokens. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Now come to the next one. Now listen. Because of your little okay, listen. Because of your little okay, everyone observe. Because of your little okay, right? Observe here. So this is the final output. ID1 is equal to ID2 plus ID3 star 60. This is the output. This is the input to the syntax analyzer. Remember, lexical will do only tokens. You don't do extra. Only tokens he will do. You don't do extra. Lexical analyzer will do only tokens. You don't do extra. Please careful. Means only introduction he will do. Only introduction he will do. That's it. Everyone he will ask introduce like that. Right? This is the input to the syntax analyzer. Is there anyone who knows? Listen everyone. Listen, make sure everyone will listen. Don't worry, you will get it. You will get very easily. Don't worry, everyone, don't worry, you will easily get it. Right? So see this. See everyone. This is the grammar. If anyone don't know also, no problem. It is the grammar. It is the grammar. Careful everyone. Syntax analyzer. Careful everyone. Syntax analyzer. It is the grammar. So this is the input. Syntax analyzer. This is the input. This is the grammar. This is the grammar. So what the syntax analyzer will try is, whatever input is coming, using this grammar, you will try to create the tree. Let me try. So, right, grammar, right, starting from first person. See everyone, S goes to ID equal to E. This ID is ID1. Next one, E goes to, everyone listen, E goes to E plus T. T goes to T star F. Next one, this E goes to T. T goes to F. F goes to ID. F goes to ID. This is ID comma 2. Next one. T goes to F. F goes to ID 3. Next one. F goes to constant, which is 60. If anyone having small doubt also, I will clarify. If anyone having small doubt also, I will clarify. S goes to ID equal to E. Simply grammar. Whatever given, I written. S goes to ID is equal to E. ID is equal to E. So ID means some identifier. Equal to E goes to E plus T. E goes to T. Simply from this grammar, I created this tree. Simply from this grammar, I created this tree for this one. Now, it's a very, very interesting question. No need to confuse. It is a very, very interesting question. No need to confuse. Can anyone help me? What is the syntax analyzer output? Can anyone help me? What is the syntax analyzer output? Output. Can anyone help me? Syntax analyzer output. What is the answer? Syntax analyzer output is syntax tree. Syntax analyzer output is syntax tree. Output is syntax tree, which is also known as parse tree. Which is also known as parse tree. Which is also called as a derivation tree. Which is also called as a derivation tree. Syntax analyzer input is, listen, syntax analyzer input is token string. Output is syntax tree. Just remember, nothing is there. Syntax analyzer input is token string. Output is parse tree, syntax tree, derivation tree. If anyone asking, sir, what is the output this tree giving? Simple, very simple. Leaf nodes, all you read. Can you read all leaf nodes? In this tree, what is the output? If anyone want to know, read all leaf nodes. ID1 equal to ID2 is equal to ID2 plus ID3 star 60. Just read all leaf nodes from left to right. All leaf nodes you read from left to right. Syntax analyzer input is token string. Output is parse tree. Output is parse tree. So what I mean to say is, for the given input string, you have to draw the tree. That tree should give same token. Whatever token string you have, same thing should come in the tree. So read all leaf nodes from left to right. ID1 equal to ID2 plus ID3 star right 60. Star 60. Read all leaf nodes from left to right. That tree is called syntax tree, which is also called parse tree, which is also called derivation tree. Easily you will get everything, you will get, don't worry. Everything you will get, don't worry. Just I am introducing the keywords. Can anyone help me? Syntax analyzer, if I listen, syntax analyzer will create syntax tree, okay, but to create syntax tree, what is needed? Syntax analyzer will create syntax tree. I am okay, but what is needed for that? I want answer from you. Syntax analyzer will create syntax tree. I am very happy with that. But to create the syntax tree, what is needed? Yeah, someone is mentioned grammar needed, and one more thing, token string also needed. To create the syntax tree, two things needed. Grammar also needed, token string also needed. Grammar also needed, token string also needed. Grammar also needed, token string also needed. Both are required. Can anyone help me now? Both are required, okay, but token string is given by, listen, token string is given by the programmer. Token string is nothing but a program. This is the program. Token string is nothing but a program. For program only tokens came. Token string is nothing but a program. So syntax analyzer required two things. One is program, which is called token string. One more is grammar. Can anyone guess from where this grammar is came? Can anyone guess from where this grammar came? Token string is came from program. Syntax analyzer required two inputs. One input is this one more input is this one, two inputs. Syntax analyzer required two inputs, one grammar, one program. Can anyone help me now? Grammar came from where? Remember, grammar means rules. It is a one rule. It is a one rule. It is a one more rule. It is a one more rule. Grammar is nothing but set of rules. Grammar is nothing but set of rules, which is nothing but a compiler. Compiler is the combination of rules only. Compiler is nothing but a combination of rules only. It is compiler. Inside compiler, there are rules. Compiler is set of rules. So what happened is, what the syntax analyzer will do is, with the existing rules, listen, in the compiler, whatever rules are there, using those rules for your program, using the existing rules, compiler internally contain rules, using existing rules for your program, tree possible or not, it will verify. If tree possible, no syntax error. Let me write now. If tree possible, no syntax error. If tree possible, no syntax error. Otherwise, else, syntax error. Otherwise, syntax error. Please be careful. If tree possible, no syntax error. Else, syntax error. That's it. Remember, syntax, right? Syntax and another input is two things. Grammar also required, token string also required. Token string means program. Grammar means set of rules. Using the existing rules for the given program, tree possible or not, they will verify. If possible, successfully completed, there is no syntax error. Otherwise, there is a syntax error. Remember everyone, from today onwards, if anyone asks you, syntax analyzer input, simply say token string. Output, parse tree, or syntax tree, or derivation tree. Input is token string. Output is syntax tree or parse tree. This is inbuilt. Rules are inbuilt. You no need to say this. Actually, syntax analyzer require two inputs. One coming from inside. Then no need to mention this. One is coming from inside. Another one from outside. This is the one user one. So syntax analyzer input is going to be a program or a token string. Output is a syntax tree. Suppose isn't that syntax tree successfully created. No syntax error. If anyone don't know grammar and all, in compiler, I don't know. I'm repeating once again. If anyone don't know grammar, in TOC, I explained already grammar and all. I don't know what is the lecture number. After today's class over, I will give lecture number. You have to read one or two lectures. What is grammar and all. After today's class over, I will give lecture number. In TOC, grammar, I already explained. I will give grammar lecture. One or two lectures I will give. You have to go through it one time. Sir, is that grammar generated also part of the syntax analysis? Can anyone write